Hey guys, welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Today I'm going to show you how to change out the blower motor in your Toyota Camry. So what's going on here is I think there's something caught in the blower wheel, which is down there. I'll show you what it sounds like. So now I'm going to show you how to take the blower wheel out and inspect it. So we'll come under here on the passenger side. First we'll disconnect this electrical connector. And then we'll remove that screw, this screw. There's one more screw hiding behind this wiring here. So I'll just pull this out the way and take it out. For this, you will need an 8mm socket. Slowly bring it down, wiggle it out, and there's a mouse in there. There we have it. That's the culprit. So now I'm going to sanitize this wheel here. I'm also going to clean out inside where the blower was located at. Up inside of that hole, that all needs to be wiped out and disinfected as well. So I got the mouse cleaned out and I have the blower wheel nice and clean as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and reinstall it. All right, now we're going to reinstall the blower motor. And the third and final screw is going to go over here. It's a little hard to see, but it is right up in there. Now we will reconnect the electrical connector and we're ready to try it out. All right, now our blower motor is reinstalled. Let's try it out. That's much better. There's no more rattling and we have restored airflow. All right, so that's how you replace the blower motor in your Toyota Camry. I hope this video was useful to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your bell notifications for future videos. As always, Dude, we can fix it.